Game 7.
Tuwing nag-aano ako natatalo yung kung sino yung sinasabihan ko So game 7 to, saan maglalaro?
OKC.
Uy, busang tinalo, Indiana ako Indiana ako, pero yun, Indiana ako.
Indiana. Okay.
NBA question, OKC o Indiana?
Indiana.
Bakit?
Haliburton
Haliburton. NBA, OKC o Indiana?
OKC ako.
Bakit?
Gusto si SJ. Galing.
Thank you. OKC o Indiana?
Indiana.
Bakit?
Underdog.
Game 7, OKC versus Indiana. Who are you picking?
Oh no. OKC.
Okay. Why? Why OKC?
That's the only team I follow.
OKC, Indiana, Game 7. Kanino ka?
Indiana.
Bakit?
Siguro ang sa kanila, yung team defense nila napakaganda. Yun yung nagpapanalo sa kanila, yung depensa.
So kung mag-champion Indiana, sino tingin mo MVP? Si Siakam o si Haliburton?
Tingin ko si parang si Siakam kasi yung Siakam parang double digit lagi. Minsan yung Haliburton may dalawang game na okay. Yung Siakam consistent.
Nangkukulam din. OKC Indiana, Game 7, kanino ka?
San Antonio. Indiana.
7. Indiana versus OKC. Your pick.
I gotta go OKC. Yeah, my son is pro. You heard him. That was him in the background somewhere. But I gotta go OKC. Yeah, that's it. I think it's just a matter of their team and what they got going there. And I got them winning it all. I got them in 7.
You're not nervous about Indiana?
Definitely nervous. They're playing great basketball, man. This is what it's all about. Game 7 is anybody's ball game. Put the ball up and see what happens. But I'll go with OKC.
Game 7, OKC, Indiana.
Hala. Indiana ako, Indiana.
Bakit?
Hali ako. Wala lang. Yan yung idol ko ngayon.
Si Tyrese.
Oo, si Tyrese.
Kung mag-champion Indiana, sa tingin mo sino finals MVP na? Kasi malabo si Tyrese na paano
O si Siakam.
Siakam siguro.
Nagkukulam. OKC o tsaka Indiana, kanino ka sa Game 7?
OKC.
Bakit?
Gusto ko lang
Game 7, Indiana or OKC?
I was just talking to my sons about this. I'm going to go with Indiana just because I'm a Midwest boy. I'm from Detroit, so I'm going to go with Indiana. But I don't know. It's going to be a good Game 7 for sure.
OKC sa Game 7?
Kahit saan ako dyan. Pero kahit saan ako SJ tsaka Haliburton.
Pareho ang idol mo?
Thank you.
Thank you. Game 7 ng OKC at saka Indiana, kanino kayo?
Well, OKC is a defensive team. Somehow, but kanina nagpakita ng magandang depensa yung Indiana It's Rick Carlisle versus Mark Daigneault. Maybe I'd go for wild prediction. I'd go for Rick Carlisle and Haliburton. Well, yun medyo hurt si Haliburton. Pero siguro doon pa rin. I wouldn't be surprised kung OKC manalo.
Yes.
OKC Game 7?
I'm rooting for OKC.
OKC pa rin, hindi na bago.
Feel ko babawi yung OKC. Yeah. Alright, cheers. OKC ako.
Bakit?
Kumpult
Thank you. Jeremiah, quick question again. Still Indiana in Game 7?
Indiana, man, it's not over yet, right? I think they're gonna get it. It's gonna be a close one though, for sure.
Okay, OKC o Indiana?
OKC.
Bakit?
They're a young team, and of course, I think yung defense nila throughout the game and yung eagerness nila, of course, they're trying to prove something. Siyempre, both young team naman sila, but I think OKC ako.
Mabilis na tanong ulit, OKC Game 7 pa rin?
Pacers in 7.
Pacers na.
Pacers in 8.
RJ, OKC pa rin sa Game 7?
OKC ako. Still OKC.
Game 7 pa rin o Indiana ka na?
OKC pa din.
Bakit?
Feel ko mas malakas sila Tsaka home court advantage.
Home, they should win it.
even though they had a bad game in Game 6, I still think they'll win it in Game 7.
So it's still OKC Thunder.
Yeah. Okay.
OKC o Indiana sa
Wala,
Game
goods
7.
na ako sa Indiana, panalo na ako sa Indiana.
Indiana sa Game 7.
OKC?
Okay.
Home court advantage, and then at the same time, OKC kami ng hits ko. So yun. Thank you.
Indiana Game 7.
Indiana.
Bakit?
Fan ako ni Halliburton. Tsaka underdogs.
I like
Game
Indiana.
7.
I like Indiana.
Bakit?
Flow offense, ganda. Ano pa ba? Walang superstar. First time magkakaroon ng, if they win, first time magkakaroon ng walang all-star and walang superstar if they win the championship.
Game 7.
Pacers. I want Pacers. Okay, can you make sure you put this out there? I only want Pacers because JT wants Oklahoma. And I don't like JT right now. Durante, okay? Durante. Okay, I'm picking Pacers because of Durante. Remember that.
Okay. OKC o Indiana sa Game 7?
OKC.
Bakit?
Home court advantage, and I think yung record nila sa home court medyo malaki yung point differential. So I think OKC.